Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Guys, I'm just jumping on with a pre-recorded video. I hope you all enjoyed the Lebanese Easter bagels. They're delicious, guys. My house smells so good. Okay, quick little story. I don't remember if you remember a couple weeks ago, I said that I met one of our friends here in Walmart and I was talking to her. Well, while I was talking to her, I came across these carrots at Walmart, these bottle brush carrots. You get 3. And I said to her, oh my God, I think we can make those. I said, do you think Dollar Tree has bottle brushes? And she said, probably. So I ran to Dollar Tree after that. I am just getting around to doing these. Now, they're not as long as this. I don't know where you get a bottle brush this long, but I found these in the Dollar Tree. Okay, they're in the baby section. The ones in the house section have sponges on the end, so I didn't want to use those. So I found these in the baby section, and you're going to want 3 of them. Now, here's the first thing I did. So you want to cut your handle off. Now, you want to leave like 3/4 of an inch or so because we want to glue our greens and wrap. Using my pliers. Use your pliers. Cut your handle off. Now, I did cut these off too. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'm saving them. These might make a cute little tree. I don't know, but I'm saving them because I don't want to waste them. There's bottle brush something we're going to do with those. Okay, and I throw that away. So now you have this. I kind of try to pull these down here, these down on the end. So I kind of try to pull them down. Now, you want to cut it to make it like the shape of a carrot. So I just look at it, and you want the bottom skinnier, of course. It's kind of easier to go this way. These are a little too long on the end. So I kind of look like this, and I cut, and you got to turn while you cut. I kind of do the bottom first, and then I cut the sides. You want it thinner. You don't want it to look so wide. See, I'm trying to make it thinner. And you don't want the top as wide either. I did end up cutting them again a little after I painted them, which is okay. It didn't show white after. You have to just kind of keep looking at it and cutting it to the way you want. The little tinsels are, at first I have feathers. Now I'm going to have all these little bristles all over the place. Okay, let's see. I don't like... All right, let's see. It's kind of still looking too fat to me. You just have to keep turning it and clipping. So you get it to what you want it to look like. I'm thinking maybe this. It's hard to see because it's white. But after you clip it, you can clip it again after you spray paint it. I did, and you don't see any of the white. I clipped some again. Okay, I'm going to go with this for now. And we'll see what it ends up looking like. It needs to be not real fat. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and we'll see what it ends up looking like after I paint it. But here's the spray paint I used. It's by Krylon. It's Fusion All-in-One Paint Plus Primer. It's Satin Spiced Amber. And I bought this at Walmart. Now, I did like 3 coats on here. I kept turning spray, turn, 2, 3 coats. It depends. You look and judge how you want them. But these are my carrots. These are my little carrots right here. Next, what you want to do is greens. I found these in the Dollar Tree, guys. This foliage greens. And I think they kind of look like a carrot top. So that is what I'm using. So I pull, you're going to want 4 pieces for each carrot. Just pull them off this plastic stem. That's 3. 4. I don't want that little one that's beads or something on there. 3. Oh, I should have had some of these done already. 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay. See this here on the end, how it was stuck into the stem gets stuck in there? You need to cut, not that whole piece off, but just the front circle part of that. So this little opening piece, I'm just clipping that off. So it looks like this. Okay. Do that to all your pieces. We're going to try to go a little faster here. I should have did 2 carrots before I came on. Sometimes I just don't think. I got to get my flowers finished. Okay. I think I have 1 extra. Okay. Here's what I did. I take my stem. I am going to add hot glue on one side of my metal piece there, my little stem part. I am going to glue this, where we just cut that off, that piece onto there. You want to go around all 4 sides. That's why I said you want 4 pieces of this. So just go around. Go around your carrot. Okay, see, I went around like that with the 4 of them. Let me just do these quick. I'm just going to add it all around so I could try to do them quick. Whoops. Quick is not good. Oh, quick is not good, guys. Okay, let me add more glue. Okay. I'm just going to do 2 at a time. 4 around. Putting glue all the way around it dries too quick. And you want to be able to hold it so it stays. Okay, there's 2. Okay, I'm still having such a hard time downloading my videos without cutting my heads off. Okay, so you'll have 3 of these. 3 of these. Now, I'm going to show you mine. These are what I did. This is what they look like when you're done. Now, they're shorter carrots. I wish I could have found longer bottle brushes, but I couldn't. Okay, I used raffia around the top of mine. See how these are around the top? This is like that cornstalk, and I know I saw it in a store, and I don't know where I saw it. But I used raffia. Or I'm thinking I can use this green jute from the Dollar Tree also. I'm going to try the jute and see what it looks like. I'm going to try the jute. Just add a little hot glue and get your jute glued on there, your end. And then you're just going to wrap around. I'm trying the jute. I'm not sure I'm going to like it. We'll see. Okay. Oh, no, I like it. Okay, so then you're going to clip. I want it to glue in the back. I'm going to show you how I want to say there's a back and a front. Okay, and then just glue that down. Okay, you'll see on the bottle brushes that this bottom like bends. So it's bending to the back. So that's my back of my carrot. I want that to be the front where you don't see that bend. Okay. I'm trying to decide. I guess it's about the same if you use the jute or the twine. The jute or the twine. All right, I might as well continue with the twine on here. It's easier to wrap this way than try to get around your greens. Okay. See where my back is. And glue that down. Okay, 2 down, 1 more to go, 1 more to go. I gotta get... Okay, gosh, my cooking video was kind of quicker. All right. You just want to wrap to make sure your stem is covered. All right, this is my back. All right, so now you have 3 carrots. Now you can leave them like this. It's up to you if you want to use them as bowl fillers. But I am going to do like the ones I bought. And I am going to... It's hard for me to see what was my front. Okay. I am going to lay them next to each other. So I lay 2 next to each other. And then I'm putting my 3rd one on top. Then you want jute. Like a 24-inch piece of jute wrapped good around there for me. So I just measured. This is 2-ply jute. I get this at Walmart. And then you are just going to wrap your jute around your carrots. Just want them to be right. Okay, wrap your jute around. Don't pull it real tight, but a little bit tight. You don't want them to fall apart. And then I just tied a bow. And voila, you got your 3 bottle brush carrots. How cute are these? I just hand wrote a little tag that says carrots, 5 cents. That's what I did. I did not see these on Pinterest. My aunt said she saw something with the carrots made out of bottle brushes on Pinterest. I didn't see it. Guys, I've not been on Pinterest in a long time. This was my inspiration from Walmart. When I see an inspiration, sometimes I buy it and I set it on my table over there to remind me that I want to make them. But I think they came out cute, guys. You could just lay them on your table or on your tray, your tiered tray, or in your dough bowl. It's up to you. But that is my little inspiration, my little craft inspiration. Real quick, real easy. The longest part is waiting for the paint to dry. But if you like my little Dollar Tree bristle carrots, decorate my page with your friends, and I'll pick a winner on today's Wednesday, Friday. I'll pick a winner on Friday, and let's see what I have here. I have 3. Okay. Well, I have 4, but I don't have enough for 2 sets. Okay, decorate my page, and I'll pick a winner on Friday, and I will send you 3 bottle brushes. I'll send you a thing of greens. What else would you need? I'll send you, I don't know if you want to use raffia. I'll send you some raffia, and I'll send you some green jute. So you could decide what you want to do. So then all you have to do is trim them. And I did get this paint at Walmart. So it's Satin Spice Amber. It's this black crayon paint can. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining me. I hope you like this little video. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks. Bye.